Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nadia. As you can see, we are in my kitchen today. We're gonna be doing a cooking video. You can already tell from the title above. We're gonna be making Gordon Ramsay's famous steak. Disclaimer before we start, in no way am I a chef. This is like the disgusting version of Gordon Ramsay's famous steak. This is the I don't even know, but I don't know what I'm doing. This is my first time making steak. I don't think it's rocket science, but for someone who doesn't know how to cook, it probably is. This is gonna be, I'm nervous. I'm nervous more than anything. So we're just gonna jump right in. I don't wanna keep talking because, you know, you already know the intro by now, but we're gonna talk about the ingredients. So the first thing is obviously the steak. I got mine from my local grocery store. Looks like this. It is organic beef strip steak, grass-fed. Now I let this just sit room temperature for around 20 minutes. That's what Ramsay does, so we're gonna do exactly what he does. I'm just recreating a steak. Will it taste like his steak? Definitely not, but I hope it's yummy. I'm either gonna burn it or it's gonna be too rare. I'm gonna try to do medium well. I hope this works. I'm so nervous. So I got the steak. I always try to make sure if I'm cooking myself, I want high quality ingredients. So I do think getting an organic beef is important. A little bit more pricey, couple dollars, but it's your health. You know what I mean? Like you gotta feed your body with good stuff. I got some garlic right here, just fresh garlic, and then thyme. I think he uses rosemary too, but I just don't feel like that's kind of unnecessary. It's just gonna give it a good scent, I think, right? Is that what it does? Yeah, something. So yeah, I got thyme. Then I got olive oil. I wasn't sure if we had some or not. I was trying to find like a olive oil that didn't have much flavor. This one, on the other hand, full-bodied flavor. I did not read it. It was on sale for like $5, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it, because usually olive oil is really expensive. I was shocked to see an organic one for $5, but I'm gonna keep this in the fridge right now at the time, because it's better when it's refrigerated, so. I also got just a Caesar salad. It comes with dressing, comes with garlic, croutons, and Parmesan cheese. It's in a bag, you know, chemicals and whatnot, but it's organic, so a little better than your average salad that isn't. So yeah. I got my pan. I think it's nonstick. I don't think it really matters, but oh, butter. You're gonna need butter as well, which we will be using that later once the steak is like almost ready. All right, guys. Please pray for me. I am so nervous. I don't know how this is gonna go, but I hope it's good. I think steak cooks really quick, right? Is it like eggs? I don't know. All right, my light almost just fell and broke, and that is the worst. When a light bulb that's on breaks, my heart stops. But we're gonna do medium heat. I'm not really sure. Can you tell I'm nervous? Nissan Plus, is that how you say it? I didn't do Nissan Plus. Nissan Plus. Nissan? Nadia, what the flying hell? I just said Nissan Plus. I don't think that's how you say it. Yeah, I really don't think that's how you say it. But you guys get it, right? Like you have to have everything ready and going, which I don't. Okay. Like I want everything just ready, bam. Throw it in the pan. I gotta wash that scissors after I'm done here, but oh my god, this feels so weird. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna wash my hands. Pink Himalayan sea salt. Just get this everywhere. Like I saw him go like literally overboard with this, so we're going to, because I think it loses a lot of its seasoning once it's on the pan cooking. Yeah, it feels so weird. I'm not used to touching raw meat.
Oh my god, I saw this video of this girl like eat raw meat. I was like, how? How is she okay with that? Okay. I have black pepper. I'm gonna go easy on this because, oh, that was too much right off the bat. That was way too much. Damn it. I don't want that much black pepper, no! I'm just waiting for my pan to heat up. While I'm doing that, I'm just gonna peel some garlic. Like I said, I don't think he peels them in the video, but I'm just gonna go for that and just do it. All right, so it's getting warm now. I got my olive oil. I'm gonna probably burn myself. I think that's a good amount. That's probably a lot. I hope that's not too much. We're going to just throw the steak away from us onto our lovely. That was scary. I'm just gonna throw the garlic in there right now. Oh my god. We got our thyme right here. I'm gonna grab my butter. I feel it works faster than this. Yeah. Okay. Putting more butter in. Okay, now I'm gonna cut her, see how she's doing. Okay, it's still red, very red. I'll put the heat up a little more. Oh shit. Yeah, it's a little too red for my liking right now. So, I'm gonna go back and just like get the butter and just get it all over the steak. This got really messy real quick. I'm taking the garlic, just rubbing it all over the steak. All right, I think she's more, can't tell if she's well done. I mean, I see a little bit of blood. Okay, so we're gonna let this sit for a bit. I think she's good. I think so. You're supposed to let it sit for like 5 minutes before you like cut it and serve it. So that's what we're gonna do now. We will wait. All right guys, so now I'm gonna cut open the steak. This is the scary part. Hoping it's cooked. Ready? Oh, it looks pretty cooked, to be honest. I think it is exactly how I wanted it. So that's awesome. This looks delicious, honestly. Quite proud of my work here. Wow. Wow. That looks beautiful. I want you guys to see the steak. See, she is kind of pink and bloody, but I think it's gonna be delicious. I honestly just want to try this steak and see how it is, so let's take a bite. That
is delicious. Okay. Wow.
Got a little fatty part of it, but
I love it. I think I'm happy that it is a little bit pink because that gives it so much flavor.
I need to take a picture of this because
this is a work of art. But yeah, guys, so that was pretty much it. That was the completed dinner. I'm just gonna add some more like dressing to this. I didn't want to get it mixed up with the steak. But yeah, that was the meal. If you do recreate it like I did, let me know in the comments, and I really want to see your videos. So that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.